We can get this thing in. Quit moving. Alright. We're gonna wash this truck today. And little dude's right there, he's gonna get the top. We're gonna make sure that it's extra good. So
You guys don't know what I'm saying. Dad!
oh, what?
I'm changing.
No, you're not. Come on.
I'm getting a towel.
No, stay here. Come on.
I'm grabbing a towel, dude.
Hey, dude, get up there and wash it. Come
I
on.
want to grab the towel.
Come on.
Guys, what about Emma?
I don't know.
She eventually got to come out.
Alright, Oliver, come on.
I know Kirsten let her out. Okay, I gotta get that dog.
Come on. Hop up there.
Dad is coming.
Okay. Here's this. Hold on. There's the brush. Do we need more water in the bucket? We need spray up there, right? Well, hold on. Get it wet. Watch out, dude.
I'm gonna get wet.
Ah. We gotta change the nozzle. Change the nozzle.
That's not on that.
Huh.
My turn to get you.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, we did it too, so I can do it too.
Watch out, bud. Hold on.
Yeah, let me have it first.
You have turned in what? Little punks.
You did it to me, so I get a turn.
Well, you was washing. Look, so we gotta change this nozzle out real quick.
I got you good.
This wasn't part of the plan, but since we're here, that nozzle needs
Ow!
the back.
Dad.
Huh?
Well, make it.
No, you're getting me wet.
Huh?
Don't, you're getting me wet. Don't.
Ha 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 ha. Dad, that was fun.
Alright, let's turn the water on. Rock.
Where do I put this baby?
Whoa! 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 Jeez!
It's not.
He has a
I'm not trying to get him wet.
Can I go grab the towel? Can I go grab the towel?
Well, no, get the top of the truck. Let's make sure you guys can see him get the top of the truck up there. Yeah. Be careful. Be careful. Here, dip it in here if you need some soapies. Alright, be careful. Yep. Get the front too. Be careful up there though, dude.
I'm not going anywhere.
You need more soapies? Here, let's add it here. It's right behind you. Now watch out, when this gets wet up here, it's gonna be slippery. Okay?
What about?
Alright,
The big baby.
alright. Get a bird's eye view here. Get the front too. Get the whole thing.
Look how cool I am.
Oh my, he could fall.
I know we can.
That's not a good idea.
He's fine.
That can.
Oliver, get off that tip, buddy.
He's fine.
I could just move to here where it's thinner and then fall.
He knows.
I need to. This thing should have been taller.
Okay. You watch out the bucket's behind you. You dip it and get some soap.
Yeah. How else am I gonna wash this?
Does that look right? It looks right.
Yep. Okay.
It's already falling off.
That thing's junk.
Why is there a moth?
I'll just have to fix it
Where's the
somewhere.
Kids.
This is the best. Keep that there for a second. And I'm gonna go over there.
Okay.
I'm just gonna climb up.
Alright, be careful.
What?
Alright.
I need
I didn't spray over there yet.
I'm getting it wet now.
Alright. Alright.
I'm gonna.
That's good enough.